our German production plant, we engineer and manufacture foam mixers, mixing and inline dosing systems for various industries. Whether for carpets, rugs, home textiles or non-woven products, foam mixers, inline compounding systems and other equipment from Hansa mixers convince through maximum material and energy savings for the high product quality. The secret of success in each case are tailor-made inline process. For almost 5 years, we have a very good partnership with MSBC, who successfully represent us in India, Bangladesh and Nepal. And this is very active in driving growth in the markets. Having a local service taken for Hansa mixers is a big bonus. We're looking forward to working in partnership with the MSBC team and excited about growth in the Indian market.